How to use music stickers on Instagram. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll be directed to the home page. Now, at the very top, you're going to find this option, Your Story. Click on that. Your gallery will open up. Now, from here, select the background picture to upload in your Instagram story. Once you select that, now at the top, you're going to find different icon. Click on this one icon, sticker icon. Different options will appear. Navigate to the option Add Yours Music. Now click on this plus icon. You're gonna find the list of the music. From here, select the one that you wanna set in your Instagram story. Click on it. So here you can see that music sticker. Now you can place it anywhere. And once you do that, you can upload it. So this is how you can easily use music sticker in your Instagram story. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.